To ease congestion on the Captain Cook Highway through Smithfield, we're building a brand new 3.8 kilometre bypass. Take a look at the Smithfield Bypass stretching from McGregor Road roundabout to Cairns Western Arterial Road. A new bridge will be built over McGregor Road roundabout. Merge and diverge lanes will provide motorists access to and from the Captain Cook Highway just north of the McGregor Road roundabout. Entry and exit ramps built at the northern end. A large part of through traffic on the Captain Cook Highway will bypass the Smithfield local road network. The end result of this project is equivalent to 6-laning this section of the Captain Cook Highway. A new bridge will be built at Avondale Creek, with the new 2-lane bypass road continuing to the southern connection at Cairns Western Arterial Road and the Captain Cook Highway. More lanes to enter and exit the southern end of the bypass. A new signalised intersection will be built at the intersection of Captain Cook Highway and Cairns Western Arterial Road, allowing for extra lanes to increase capacity. An overpass of this location is not possible as it will increase flood risk. The Smithfield Bypass project is expected to be completed late 2021 to get you where you need to be safely and on time.